Hello, I'm Matteo, the Chief Mobile Opinionist here at Tech Travel Geeks, and in this video I'll show you how to factory reset the POCO F7. I've really enjoyed my time with this device over the last year, but it's time to pass it on to someone who will make better use of it as a full-time device. Now, the way to do it is pretty simple. In HyperOS, the Xiaomi operating system running on the POCO F7, tap Settings, and then in the Settings section, the top option should be About Phone. Tap on that and you'll get some details about your device, in this case, the fact that it's running HyperOS 3.06. Scroll to the very bottom option and you will have an option for Factory Reset. I'm going to tap on that, and it will give you a warning about the fact that you're about to erase all data, including contacts, photos and videos, apps, accounts, backups, SD card data, and other items on this device. So I'm going to tap on Erase All Data, and then I need to enter my pattern. Once you've done that, it gives you another reminder to back up your data. So you can go through and do that through Xiaomi Cloud, for example, using HyperOS's free storage that comes with your Xiaomi device, or just tap on Factory Reset. So this will go through with a further warning saying, attention, Factory Reset will erase all data on your device, including photos, songs, notes, and other personal data. Make sure to back up all the important items on your computer. And then tap Next. This is what I'm doing, and it's giving us another reminder here about that. It gives you a countdown timer, so you can't actually press the button until that's finished. I'm going to tap OK. And now the POCO F7 is restarting, and it will take a while to reboot and wipe all your personal data from the device. Now, another thing to remember when sorting out your phone and handing it over to someone will be to ensure that your SIM card is out. And the SIM card on the POCO F7 is at the bottom. It's on your left hand side if you're looking at the screen, but for the purpose of this video I'll just use my SIM ejector tool to pull out the SIM tray and take my SIM card out and put the SIM tray back in. And then whilst I've been doing that, the POCO F7 is restarting. You get the POCO logo, powered by Android, and that should be the phone reset. So you get the little powered by Xiaomi HyperOS at the first boot up, and you can see there's a little 3 dots scrolling to give you an idea that something is happening in the background. And once this is done, the phone will be reset. Great, so hopefully this video was useful to you. If you had issues, if you have any questions, please do leave us a comment in the section below. We'll do our best to get back to you. And as usual, if you don't already, please do subscribe to the Tech Travel Geeks here on YouTube. We cover consumer electronics, gadgets, accessories, and anything else we think makes the travel experience better. But for now, thanks for watching, and goodbye from me.